Hello YouTubers, 2008 Ford Escape, 2.3 liter engine, and we will be replacing belt and idler pulley on it. So for this job obviously you need a belt and a pulley. So I got Motorcraft for both. I will leave links in the description to the video. Even though this is Motorcraft, it still reads gates on the back of the pulley, so that's why I always order gates. So we have the vehicle on a jack and on a jack stand. So next we will remove the passenger side wheel and its 19mm socket. Next we need to remove a few plastic clips and a few bolts. So one in here could be different style. This one has like a screwdriver insert inside. That out. Then we have one bolt just over here, another bolt just over here, and this is the entire apron. It goes all the way to the other side. You don't need to remove entirely. One more bolt we will remove is just over here. And now that entire piece should just come off, so we can have access to the belt. Next, what you want to do, you want to take the routing for the belt. So just draw a diagram. You can use this one or double check with your vehicle. So sometimes depends on the components. If you have AC, if you don't, it can be different. So this is for this vehicle, and as you can see, just over here is the idler pulley that we will replace, and this is the tensioner. So here's the tensioner. We use 15mm socket. Just put it over the tensioner and turn it clockwise, so that will get the belt loose. You can remove the belt and let it go slowly. To get the idler pulley out, just 10mm bolt in the middle. Just use ratchet to get it out. At the end, you might want to switch to the wrench, either ratchet wrench or just box wrench, since there will be not much room for the socket, so you don't want to get it jammed in between the frame and your idler pulley. So just a quick look at the old pulley and the new one. So as you can see, this one developed those two thresholds, like ribs, on one side and on another. What probably caused the noise from the belt, and also the belt is wearing more intensively. This one is absolutely flat, and the issue with this one was that when it's cold, it was producing lots and lots of noise. But at the same time, the bearing itself is in nice condition, and the vehicle has 200,000 Ks on it. So we have installed the new pulley, and it's just finger tight. So right now we will torque it to 18 foot-pounds or 216 inch-pounds. Good. To get the belt in, I will start from the top with this top idler pulley, and we'll move all the way along until I get to the belt tensioner, and then we'll compress the tensioner and put the belt on. So now when the belt is routed all the way, And last thing, we need to put it on a tensioner. So we compress the tensioner. Go the first time. I need to grab a little bit more leverage. Okay. So now it is seated. We'll remove the ratchet. So next, what you need to do, just to double check and triple check your routing. If you placed it well, also check if it sits well on all the pulleys. And I'm not kidding when I'm saying double and triple check, because if you put it wrong, as soon as you start it, you will damage the belt. So let's get it checked and then we will start the vehicle. So now we just double check if our belt is running nice and smooth, all straight. If it does not, please check my other video how to replace the belt tensioner. Okay, next we'll just put this plastic cover back on. So it's a plastic clip. Not sure exactly how it will look like. Just put this in, put the insert in. Then we have 3 bolts, 10mm sockets to install. So here's one. There's the other one. And one more that goes from the bottom. Just over here. Done with that. So the last step is the wheel. So for the wheel you need 19mm socket. And we use our awesome Milwaukee tool. I will leave a link in the description to the video. Next we will take it over the jack stand and we'll torque it to 100 foot-pounds. So when you torque your wheel, you want to go in a cross pattern. And you need to retorque it after 50 Ks, so it will sit a bit better in, so we can do a retorque after a trip or two. And this is it. So please like and subscribe. Please check our links in the description to the video. And as always, do it yourself.